Hello everyone, welcome to another tutorial. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can make a company budget. And to show this I have created this sheet already where you can see a company has 18 employee. These two actually irrelevant for this tutorial. These two is showing the start date, which department they joined in. But we will be focusing on here the monthly salary, total budget, yearly salary, and to see at the end of the year does it cross your budget and how you can come up with a solution to back up your budget. And here are we have think about 4 solutions here, like reducing employee number, reducing down the salary, and there are 2 more. And one by one I will be showing you, and this is really interesting. It helps you to make a proper budget for your company, and beforehand you can see that what you need to cut and or what you need to add. So here you can see that monthly salary for the first employee Kyla, and second for salary for Quinton, third for Scott. So these are the monthly salary, and you see there are ranges of salary. Some have 2,000 and one have 1950, another is 2100, and this is yearly salary. It has already been calculated. But if you'd like to know how these arithmetic operations is being done here in Google Sheet, I have a link in the description below. The first video you will be able to see there how we do that. Here monthly salary, and if to calculate the yearly salary, as it is for a month, so for yearly salary you just have to multiply this D2 by 12, and here you can see that for this one D3 by 12, for this one D4 by 12, D5 by 12, and thus you end up getting yearly salary for Kyle Anderson, for Quinton Bowers, and until Jenny Hunders. So these are the salary they are getting throughout the year. But how much salary as a company you are paying for all the employees at the end of the year, you get it from here, total yearly salary for the company. So you have 18 employee, and these are their monthly salary. So if you'd like to get yearly salary that is being disbursed from your company to these accounts, you get by adding all this number. So we go here and you see this is the summation of E2 to E18. So E2 is this number and until E18. So this is the range where you get the total salary that is being disbursed from your company. So here this is the total salary, and now let's assume you have total budget of this amount. Okay, so you have this budget of $400,000. Now you see the employee is consuming total salary of more than $450,000. So plus minus at the end of the year, I mean, so are you crossing the budget or are you within the budget? How you can see that? You will take the total budget and then subtract it from the salary you are paying. So here you can see H2 is the total budget, and then we're subtracting it from H4, which is total salary being taken by the employee. And here you see a minus. At the end of the operation we get the minus $57,000 more than. That means it is exceeding the budget. Now to actually meet the budget criteria that you need to be within this amount, or you are short of this amount, so you can either take it as a loan, or if you would like to be within this 400,000, you can choose to make some solutions. So the one solution is reducing employee number. So we just go here and let's say we'd like to reduce one employee. So what you do is just take the monthly salary away and give a 0 here. And immediately you see that this minus is getting reduced now. But one employee, just getting rid of one employee does not bring this amount within our budget. So we go for another employee, we reduce here as well, and now you see we're just crossed the total budget. We are negative of only $3,000. So let's just go here and we just take another employee away from the system. Now you see you have surplus in your system, $21,000. That means one solution could be that you just get rid of 3 employees and then you are within the budget. And there are other solutions that I have think about is reducing down the salary. Well, it could be that you don't want to get rid of your employees, so instead you are going to reduce down the salary. So just I'm putting random numbers here again to see. Here you see it's minus 55,000 as I have brought those number back again in the system. So I can play around this number, keeping the employees, but still I will be bringing it down in the total budget range. So let's say for 1900 we just go 1900 fixed salary for each one, and you can do this by dragging this and bring until here. And now see you have reduced down the salary, and the minus, I mean the amount that exceeds the limit is just 11,000. And here if we just go 1800 and then 1700, let's say we have here 1400. So the less you are giving the salary, the less you get minus in. Now you have all the employees in the system, but still you have surplus in your budget. And I just increased the salary amount again, 2,500 for each one. And now you see you have a really large amount, minus 76,000, more than 76,000. You lack, you exceeded your budget amount. So we have another solution for this one, increasing the budget. So it's just simple and bank loan. So we can solve it in 2 different ways. I just I just remembered that our budget had $400,000. So how now you know how much you have to increase. Well, maybe you have a big company, just you have to increase the amount. So we're short of 76,000. That means you need to increase it by 77,000. So here we just increase the number, and now our equation is positive again. So we started with $400,000, right? So $400,000. And the last solution is taking bank loan. So maybe we're short of 76,000. We just take the bank loan, 76,000, and adding this bank loan in the main system. How? This $400,000. So what we do is we make an equal sign here for $400,000 plus this bank loan. So 76,000. Well, we take bank loan, let's say 80,000 instead. And now you see you have $3,600 surplus now. And the power of equation is that you have added this J2, which is this bank loan, in this equation. Now you can also play around this bank loan, like instead of 80,000 we go here and press, let's say, 100,000. And now you can also see that you have more surpluses. So might be that to run your company is smoothly, you need one more employee here, and you're going to pay per year 30,000 to add one employee, and you don't have that much money, and you thought that you're taking bank loan with the budget you already have, and you know how much you're going to pay, 30,000. That means you need 30,000 here at the end of the year, so you can afford one more employee. Now you go here and just change. That means we can see we're short of 7,000. That means we need a loan of 107,000 only. And see, you have 30,000 surplus in your account now. Now you can actually add one more employee. So this is how you can make a company budget, and you can, once your equations are being set, you can play around and you can decide really fast. You don't have to think so many things because mathematics works and your equation don't lie. So thank you very much for watching.